We have made an app that is using object detection as well as language translation. The basis of our app is that we are going to scan simple classroom objects such as a chair or a backpack or a pencil. The app is going to be able to say, this is a pencil or this is a chair, and we're actually going to have speech to text say the word of what the object is.
The goal is to help children in classrooms be able to identify objects in their classroom that they don't know the word of or don't really know how to say it in a sentence, and then they'll be able to access it.
We're currently working on an accessibility app for English second learners. Mostly children is our big focus, but we're thinking this app could be expanded in the future to include adult learners.
We're working with a group of students from Mississippi State who are working with special education students and accessibility students to help learning in the classroom. That is the point of us developing this app. My name is Brandon Pilcher. I was the lead concept designer for how the application itself will look and the UI panels for definitions.
I am Marcus Fenn. I am a junior at the Boise State GIMM program. For me, what I've been doing with this app is I helped create the basic design of what we were wanting it to look at, and I'm also making videos capturing our experience and just making sure that whatever we have is recorded.
My name is Trenton Bitterly. For this project, I basically did the skeleton of the project where I created the app and wrote the code so that it allowed for like camera usage and allowed for the functionality to check like if certain objects were being scanned.
My name is Alexandra Winters. I'm a junior in the GIMM program. My main focus is kind of like the front end side of things, so going into web design, doing like the UI for our app currently. That's kind of a big focus for this project, is making the app look nice. I'll make sure it's user friendly, make sure the functions are easy to get to.
The first step in our process was to brainstorm our project with our Mississippi State group, Valerie and Braxton. Immediately, they came up with this brilliant idea for an app that recognizes objects in classrooms and translates them for kids that aren't familiar with English. The next step was for us at Boise State to research how we wanted to do this, and we eventually shrunk it down to object recognition. In this video, we are putting hundreds of pictures into a machine learning model so that our program could recognize these 5 specific objects: a chair, pencil, backpack, keyboard, and a mouse. After some time looking through videos and pushing through code, we had our first iteration.
Chair, backpack, pencil, mouse, keyboard.
Our next step in the app's creation process was to devise how it should look, which was basically just as difficult to figure out while safely combining it with the code we already had. In the end, the app went through multiple different looks and colors as one normally would. But with Alessandra's creativity and Trenton's fast learning, we were able to create an app design we all enjoyed. Here's a final look at our object recognition and translation app, Classroom Companion. Now, newly changed with object definitions as well.
pencil, keyboard, mouse, pencil, backpack, chair.